You're gonna love this if you're interested in making money online as a freelancer. If you've been following me because you love my ambition, because you are ambitious and you want to get more from life. If you wanna be your own boss, but you wanna start a business where there's very little to no startup cost. If you want to hit consistent 50K and 1 lakh months, your answer is freelancing. Yes, in freelancing, we offer services like content writing, copywriting, marketing, web designing, graphic designing, etc. to clients all over the globe. And since we get paid on per project basis, instead of being employed by just one company, we start our own businesses. Literally, we are the business owners who are working with other businesses, and that's why it gets you paid so much more. I've been a freelancer for almost 5 years now, and my growth in freelancing has been tremendous. Yes, my first 2 years were a bit slow because nor did I invest in myself, and I also had my exams and everything. But eventually, I figured out a way to get clients consistently without having to beg for it, without having to go to multiple platforms to understand how these things work. It's actually pretty simple to get clients. You decide what skill you want to sell and you use social media to find your clients. And if you want to understand exactly how to approach these clients, exactly what type of messages do you send them, how can you write emails, how to conduct sales calls with clients, if you want to know how I seal $1,000 plus proposals with clients all over the globe, if you want to have my and my team's constant support by your side, I'm so happy to announce that Freelance 101 Academy is officially enrolling for batch 2, which starts in June 1. I'm super excited to let you in on the news because this has been in baking for a long time. Our first batch was from Jan to March, and I still kept working with our last batch to help them grow even more. However, since majority of the batch has now graduated and they have reached their financial goals, it's time to open our doors for new enrollments. Our enrollment will be going on till 23rd of May and will be closing then. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Freelance 101 Academy so that you get an idea regarding exactly what you'll be signing up for, and you can decide for yourself whether this investment is going to be worth it or not. So Freelance 101 Academy is the quickest way to start getting paid for your skills as a freelancer in service-based niches. Actually mean this course is hosted in 2 different ways. Number 1, you get the whole pre-recorded content and the past masterclasses that we have hosted on specific areas of topic the moment you enroll. All right. Once you sign up, it takes a few hours to give you access, and you can actually go through all the materials right then and there. But you actually also get to talk to me live every weekend so that I can figure out your problems. I can help you identify your problems and help you grow faster. Now, if I talk about the modules of the course, there are 5 modules. In module 1, we identify which skill will be the most profitable for you by understanding your history and also understanding what are your core strengths. In module 2, we figure out how to position yourself for success, how to build a portfolio that will get you high quality clients, how to price your packages. All right. Module 3 is literally the meat of the course. You learn exactly how to get high ticket, high paying clients online using different social media platforms without having to worry about what process you'll follow. You'll just go through the module, and if you apply it, I can guarantee you'll get clients within 14 to 30 days maximum. Now, in module 4, you learn everything about how to send contracts, how to send proposals that get accepted, how to send invoices. All right. And lastly, in module 5, I give you high ticket client acquisition strategies and roadmaps so that within a month you hit 1 lakh as your goal. This course is supposed to be finished in 3 months, but it's actually self-paced. You can go at your own pace. So you get access to it for 12 months, a whole year. So even if you're not able to finish it within 3 months, you still get 9 whole months. And that should be good enough time for you to finish the course. Now, the course content itself is priced at 15,000 INR. However, if you sign up today, there's a lot of bonuses. The first bonus being every weekend you will be getting on a call with me from June. This means that if you have any queries, I'll be solving them face to face, talking to you, not just over text. And this will be going on for at least 3 months. On top of that, we have our Facebook group community wherein you can post your queries at any time and we'll solve it at the earliest. And if you face any struggles, you can always share it there. The Facebook group is also very good in case you want to connect with other freelancers who are doing the same thing as you and you want to know how exactly you can grow together, because you need friends to grow as freelancers. On top of that, we give a lot of worksheets and cheat sheets and message scripts and email scripts that will make the job of you finding clients, applying to clients easier, so much easier. On top of that, you also get 6 masterclasses. 4 masterclasses are already there because they were hosted already. So content writing masterclass, copywriting masterclass, social media marketing masterclass, and consulting masterclass. All of these are ready to access the moment you sign in. You'll get access to sales masterclass this month for free and digital product masterclass next month for free as well. And you'll be able to attend these live. And if you sign up within the next 24 hours, you get 2 more juicy bonuses. Number 1, a lecture, a bonus lecture on how I craft 10K marketing plans for my clients, and 10K I'm talking in USD. Okay, so this will be something that you'll be able to understand how to do and help your clients with as well. And you also get 10 done for you social media prompts and templates that will help you to create content even if you feel very lazy. These 2 bonuses are only valid for the next 24 hours. So make sure that you sign up as soon as possible. Let's recap what you get. You get the course content, you get worksheets, cheat sheets, scripts, messages. You get all the masterclasses for free for 6 months. You get unlimited support inside the community. You get to talk to me every weekend to discuss your problems and also meet other community members over video calls. And all of this value combined, you also get 2 juicy bonuses for the next 24 hours. The value I bring to the table with Freelance 101 Academy is over 52,000. However, since this is the pre-enrollment period, you can get access to the course at just 9997 INR. So if you sign up by 23rd May, you will get this discount, after which the price will go up to the full price, that is 15,000. I cannot wait for you to join us in the next batch. We have had huge success stories on our last batch. I'll leave a few on the screen and you can check out much more of them, and video testimonials as well on our landing page, which will be linked in the description below. I am so excited to see you join us in Freelance 101 Academy. If you're ready to take the leap, if you're ready to start reaching out to your full potential and start looking for clients the right way without getting scammed, without having bad experiences, without having to deal with the wrong type of clients, yes, Freelance 101 Academy is your ticket to financial freedom. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I cannot wait for you to join me. If you have any questions about the Academy, you can always leave a comment or you can DM me on Instagram at @Saili Chatterjee here. I am super duper excited to start seeing you every week from June. And yeah, with that, I'll be taking your leave. I hope that you'll make use of the discount and the bonus offer this week. And yep, till then, bye-bye. I'll see you inside the Academy.